Is that a doorbell? Let's see who's here. Who is that? Is somebody? Oh my God! It's Seth fucking MacFarlane. It's Seth My friend. I'm good. How are you?
So lovely of you to have me.
Wow, this is weird. I didn't know you were stopping by. I didn't just have that grand piano here for no reason.
When I walked out, be honest, how many of you said Elon Musk is here?
That's a good one. Did you think of that this morning?
I just, as I was coming down the stairs.
Okay, I like that.
Listen,
Listen,
mine. I'm having a little vodka.
I'm not even gonna. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I never really drink before shows. I'm half drunk. That's how you know I was a little nervous.
Only half, huh?
Yeah.